Hey, I'm Sarah. This is Behind the Design from Sarah Off the Grid Season 2. You want to time me how fast it's going to take me to make this pillow?
Oh, I know how fast you can sew. This is like the only time on your show where we can do something in real time.
This didn't have to be a race. Why am I such a loser that you make it a race and I'm all in?
Because you're so
competitive. And then somebody
competitive.
asked me lately if I was competitive, and I was like, I
Ask Tommy.
to answer that. What have all the hipsters got that I don't?
Certainly not sewing skills.
Is that cute?
That's such a great idea, and I can't believe it took under 5 minutes. You know what I can sew? The seeds of doubt. That's what I can sew.